ABRCT Automatic Cat Litter Box, self-cleaning cat litter box with app remote control, alerts, odor suppression, littering record. Available for multiple cats family. Are you a multi-cat family? Are you so busy that you forget to scoop your cat's poop? Our automatic cat litter box will relieve you of all the above problems. This smart cat toilet will help you to scoop automatically, and the app remote can dump the litter for you with one click, which is a convenient and quick experience. Never scoop again by hand anymore. PETKIT Pura X Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, No Scooping Automatic Cat Litter Box FR Multiple Cats, X Secure / Odor Removal / App Control Automatic Cat Litter Box with Mat. X Secure, Thermal Sensor, Infrared Sensor, Weight Sensor, Anti-Pinch Infrared Sensors, Smart Detection, Remote Alerts, Accident Protection System. Odor Removal, independently researched and developed, purifying liquid removes unpleasant odors and formaldehyde. Litter Robot 3-Core Bundle by Whisker, Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, includes Litter Robot, Mat, Fence, Ramp, 25, Liners and 3 Carbon Filters, complimentary 12-month Whisker Care Warranty. Litter Robot Core Accessories Bundle includes the Litter Robot 3 Automatic Litter Box, Litter Trap Mat, Black, Fence, Black, Ramp, Gray, Waste Drawer Liners, 25, Carbon Filters, 3, and Whisker Care. Self-Cleaning Litter Box, never scoop again with Litter Robot 3 Connect, the automatic, self-cleaning cat litter box. boqii Automatic Cat Litter Box, 13L Ultra Large Waste Box, Multi-Cat Recognition, Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box with removable filter by app remote control for multiple cats. The first and only self-cleaning litter box with UVC plus UVA designed, scientific and efficient UVC plus UVA technology always keeps the self-cleaning litter box as clean as ever.